Good morning, everyone present here. We are gathered here for a very prestigious and unique 31st National Convention of Insan, organized by Western India Chapter in the virtual form, first in the time of the history of Insan. We are really proud and happy to witness tremendous response from industry to attend this 31st National Convention, which is conducted in a virtual form. Now, I request Insan President, Mr. Umesh Bapat, to welcome the audience and enlighten our august gathering on Insan activities and actions over the period.
Good morning to everyone, those who are present here and those who are connected to us through the web. First of all, let me welcome.
Now, the prestigious time has come to inaugurate the 31st National Convention of Insan. Aditya Bhartiya sir, please do the honor simultaneously inaugurating electronically. Umesh Bapat sir. Thank you. Parag Auti sir. Thank you all delegates. We'd like to have your photograph in front of Tulsi and our banner. Yes, thank you. And we'll be using eco-friendly juice box prepared by... Yeah, thank you. Thank you. And I request the team from Advic to perform a skit for exploring and engaging employees for excellence in business.
वेलकम एवरीबॉडी, मैं धनेश थोरात। इंसान के 31st नेशनल कन्वेंशन प्रोग्राम में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
I request our guest of honor, Managing Director Aditya Bharti of Advic Limited, to grace the occasion and guide the audience offline and online on his views of togetherness of personality, innovative employee engagement for organizational excellence in changing world. Over to Aditya Bhartiya sir.
Good morning, friends, and good morning to the team at Insan for giving me this opportunity to talk for a few minutes. First, I'll just start with what Advic stands for.
It's a great honor, great opportunity to listen from such a visionary, passionate, demonstrated person, none other than Vijay Arora, the chief guest of 31st National Convention of its kind.
Good morning, everybody, all the Insan members who are online and offline. So, good morning to everybody. Good morning, Mr. Umesh Bapat, President. Good morning, Sudhir Datta, Mr. Parag.
So initially, Mr. Parag Auti sir will explain the intent and context, followed by Sudhir sir to talk about the content and beauty of this model. So over to Parag and Sudhir sir.
So good morning, dignitaries, chief guests, people present over here and people who are online for this prestigious event of Insan 31st National Convention, and I would say the first virtual convention.
We talk about the reward and recognition. So, whether there is a transparency available in the whole system, so that the suggester know how my award is getting calculated, my recognition is getting calculated. How do you give it? Whether it's in cash or in kind, or it's just recognition. So all those calculation details.
Yeah. So there will be an electronic launch, e-launch of the model, which on this occasion of 31st National Convention, we are launching the Insan Suggestion Scheme model. Yes.
Now, I would request chief guest to just point out finger to this launch button so that once I click it, the launch will happen.
Yes.
I'll just take 2 minutes to explain this and then hand it over. Okay. Here you will see Inspire.
I request Vijay Arora sir to come near Tulsi so that we can have a good photograph. The first participant, Deepti Bajpai. Thank you. Please take one more. We have one more participant who is present here today. He is Harshal Patil. Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations, Pramod sir. He was instrumental in implementing suggestions at Tata Motors. Let's give him a big round of applause. Prakash Ouchar sir to propose vote of thanks on this unique first virtual 31st National Convention of Insan for Engage to Transfer theme. Thank you.
To spare the time and grace this occasion. But the thank is not only for sparing the time. The thank you, the big thank you is for the inspirational talks which he has delivered. And I am sure that that inspirational talk also Aditya Bharti from Advik, who talked about everyone should have purpose in the life and then only they can excel. And he has explained that what is innovation means. So thank you both Mr. Vijay Arora and Mr. Aditya Bharti for sparing the time and inspiring us. Thank you very much.
So all the best and enjoyable experience in this convention for the online and offline members.